Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox fail to connect or error code 279 in mobile. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply minimize the game. Then go to a browser and search for speed test and check whether do you have appropriate speed to run the application or not. So just simply check for the speed of your internet. Give all the necessary permissions, then press go over here. Now it will tell you the exact speed of your internet. So if you have enough internet speed, what you can do next is just simply again minimize the Chrome, then just simply scroll down and open your navigation panel over here. Now there are two things that you can do over here. Just simply enable disable flight mode and then switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi to mobile data. To this, then simply restart your Android device once, then just simply come back and see if it is working or not. Now the next step that you can try is just simply again go to your application, simply hold for a few seconds, then click on app info. Now over here we are going to make some changes, like first enable auto start over here, then press OK, then go inside app permissions, then give the application permission for everything. Now just simply go back, then just simply click on other permissions over here, then give the permission for all of them over here as well. Now click on restrict data usage and choose both Wi-Fi and mobile data, then press OK. Now in the battery saver, just simply choose no restrictions, then again go back, then click on install app from unknown sources and enable this as well. So after doing all of that, just simply click on clear data down here, then click on clear all data, and then just simply restart your device and your issue should be fixed. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.